We are Tatsumiya, supporting the civil engineering and construction of buildings. An existence like a strong support behind the scenes through our business. Through our business, we are committed to the development of local communities and the improvement of people's lives. Our company undertakes ground improvement work nationwide. We provide safe and secure construction services with the rich knowledge and experience we have cultivated over many years. We also offer rental and sales of used heavy machinery. Especially regarding used ground improvement machines, we aim to be a company that contributes to society by providing high technical skills and services. As specialists in ground improvement machines since our founding, we produce various types of videos centered around civil engineering sites. Tatsumiya Co., Limited, is a presence that supports civil construction. We are Tatsumiya.